everyone, I'm Shreya Patil. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, that is 15 days before my NEET exam, which were very hectic and very problematic for me, but also in a good way. Yeah, so let's start. So why this 15 days are special for me? Because in this 15 days I have learned something or many things that I did not learn in 2 years. The exact thing which I learned in these 15 days were only helpful in the exam. I mean very helpful in the exam. See, the story goes something like this, that throughout my 2 years of NEET preparation, I used to be always top in the class, like throughout the 2 years. But something happened like this, that just before 15 days of NEET, my performance was getting very worse day by day. And due to that, I was getting very traumatized. Of course, you'll get no. Just before 15 days, this was happening. Then understand my mental level at that time. But somehow later I realized that this was happening because the papers were coming very hard. Like literally, I did not make any difference between the actual NEET exam and the papers I gave last 15 days, which was literally very helpful, which I realized after the exam. Now this time when my performance was getting low, my parents and my teachers were very supportive, like super supportive. My father was just like, there is not MBBS only to do for you. You can do many other things. I somehow got through those 15 days because I knew that if I'm getting pressurized, my performance would go down. Because I always observe this, that whenever I'm in pressure, my performance goes down. And it happens with everybody. Just relax. It happens with everybody. You're not the only one to face that. So don't take all the pressure. In pressure, no one can perform. No one. Even the perfect person, he can't perform in the pressure. So don't pressurize yourself. Keep yourself calm. And I made myself calm in that time duration, and I saw that my performance was getting better. So my parents actually told me that don't go to college, you sit in the home and give mock tests, which was very helpful for me, because I was I forgot all that pressure of exam, like I'm writing NEET, I'm I have done hard work for 2 years and something like this will change my life or something. I just forgot that, and in last like 10 or 5 days, I was like, I want to complete this exam. I want to finish it, because I had done so much of hard work, so much of tears I had flown through my eyes, that I was just wanting to complete this exam. However, good, bad, worst, anything, I just wanted to finish it. So with this mentality, I had gone to the exam. How this helped for the actual NEET exam, I want to say that because exam, I feel that it was not it was not made to test your knowledge. It was made to test your patience, your capacity to keep yourself calm, which a doctor needs, which is very essential in the life of a doctor. So it was meant to test your patience and your perseverance, and how you control your pressure during. Actually, NEET exam, you'll think that they'll test our knowledge, how much we know. But this exam was not like that. It was how you maintain yourself, how you keep your mind and body calm. See, the paper was hard. Everyone got into pressure. Because of that, many members lost their paper. Not because they were not knowledgeable enough, or not because their preparation was not well. Even many students whose preparation was very good, they did not perform in this exam because of the pressure. They did not handle the pressure. And one more thing which I felt helped in my exam was, in the last 15 days, I was like, I don't know how many marks the person beside me is getting. I should get the marks which qualifies me to get a medical seat. The main thing you all guys, like many guys do that, they keep a score in their mind and go to the exam hall without knowing the difficulty of the paper, the difficulty level of the paper. Like, this is just stupid test, right? You're not knowing what is the difficulty of the paper. Then how can you decide cutoff? If you're not deciding the cutoff, then why are you taking some score in your mind and going to the exam hall? There is no need of it. Just do best in whatever is given, whatever the question paper is given to you. Just do your best in that. Don't keep any score in your mind and go like you should get 340 or 350 in biology, or you should get 170, 160 in physics, which was not possible in this exam. Many people actually fail in this exam just because this reason, that they had get some score in their mind and gone to the exam, which they were not able to complete in that exam, because the difficulty level was obviously high as compared to 2024 exam. And when you keep the exam of 2024 that score in your mind and go, you'll not do no. At end of the video, only I want to tell this much, that don't calculate your hard work with your marks. those two things are totally different. Don't compare them. Like hard work is not directly proportional to marks. It may be sometimes inversely also, which many people faced in this year. So don't keep that. Don't pressurize yourself on the basis of competition. Like some other person is going in like more than you or something. Don't compete. Compete with yourself. Don't compete with others. Because when you compete with others, there is whole India. There are 19 lakhs people. But when you compete with yourself, there is only one person. Which is better? Yourself, right? Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.